Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to monitor ongoing trips in CADIS control from a dispatcher's perspective. Everything you need is in the trips view. If the screen gets too crowded, use the black arrows to collapse the map and show only the trip and stop tables. Or do the reverse and display only the map, if that's all you need. On the map, you can view the route already driven and the vehicle's current position. Just enable the corresponding checkboxes. Want to stop the map from zooming in and out automatically? Go to the View menu and disable Auto Zoom. Then, hold down the right mouse button to move around manually. Use filters to focus on relevant tours. For instance, filter for trips that are currently ongoing or already completed. As with most views in CADIS, you can save these as personal or global views to reuse or share with your team. Let's check the trip progress. Processed stops appear in green on the map. In the top left of the trips table, you'll see the tour progress. Below, the stop table displays start and end times, along with continuously refreshed ETAs. Double-click a stop to open its details. From the stop details, you can access shipment information. Open the Geolocation tab to compare the planned stop location with where the driver actually stopped. Black icon equals planned stop, green equals arrival, blue equals delivery location, yellow equals departure point. The shipment overview shows the status of deliveries and collections. Green background plus black check equals successful delivery. Green background plus white arrow equals drop-off without signature, likely with customer permission. Green background plus red check equals delivery completed with an issue. Want to see only shipments with photos? Enable the photo attribute in the icons panel. Now use the link-related order to jump directly to the order details, where you can view all the specifics of the delivery and the image. Looks like 4 parcels were left at the customer's doorstep. No one was home to sign, and the customer probably has a drop-off agreement. Now, if you see a green background with a red check mark, that means the delivery went through, but something noteworthy happened. Let's take a closer look here. The driver marked a package as slightly damaged and had to document it with a photo, but the delivery was still completed. All statuses, photos, and delivery confirmations can, if configured, be exported to your external host system. You can also print them via the order details or order overview. If you like things little more compact, the order overview shows only orders that are on release tours. If a driver refuses a pickup or encounters an issue, filter those shipments accordingly. Redispatch them to another tour. Reschedule for another date via Set Status Close with Hindrance and pick a new planning date. The shipment will disappear from today's view and can be planned tomorrow. Some failed deliveries may need to be manually made dispatchable, depending on your configuration. If the shipment was part of an unloading list, this happens automatically. If not, you'll need to enable dispatching manually. Mistakes happen. Drive-reported statuses can be overridden via Set POD Status or in the order details and order overview. That's how you stay in control of your tours. With CADIS, your data is always real-time. Take care and keep those tours rolling. Thanks for watching. If moving goods is what you do, CADIS software makes it smooth for you.